What's up YouTube? Welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we will be doing a review of the Air Jordan 1 Shadow. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of our 10,000 subscriber giveaway for the Adidas Profeer. You have to be subscribed to the channel and you have to follow me on Instagram. I'll put a link down below on the mechanics so that you guys can join. Subscribe now and follow me on IG. Before we start, a quick shout out to Benji, who I bumped into at Nike over at BGC. Thanks for introducing yourself and had a quick chat. God bless, man. This is the Air Jordan 1 Shadow. Apart from it being my favorite Jordan silhouette, the Jordan 1, this is also one of my favorite colorways for the Jordan 1. And what we'll be talking about for this review is I'll go through the top 3 things I love about this shoe, and I'll also talk about the, well, one major discomfort that I have with this particular sneaker. Let's get to it. Number 1, it's all about the versatility of the colorway. The gray and the black and the white makes this such a versatile, subtle shoe. While it being subtle, it doesn't, like scream for attention like the other colors. It still has a it still commands presence, and it still kind of commands attention. It definitely ups your style game a whole lot, especially with this very sleek black-gray color blocking. I mean, it's just amazingly cool, masculine, and just awesome. That's how much I love the colorway, and that's how timeless I think the colorway is. So you can pretty much wear this with anything because of that colorway, and again, that makes it one of the most subtle and versatile Air Jordan 1s that you guys can have in your collection. One design element I love about the Air Jordan 1 Shadow is that it's a pretty unique Air Jordan 1 in the sense that the outsole color is different from the main dominant color of the upper. As you guys see, it's supposed to be gray, but the lower part or the outsole is black. How is this different compared to all the Air Jordan 1s? Because if you take a look at these Jordan 1s that I have here, if you take a look at the dominant color, the outsole actually mimics the dominant color of the shoe. So from red to red, blue to blue, yellow to yellow, wheat brown to wheat brown. When it comes to the Jordan 1 Shadows, it's dominantly gray, but then you have a black outsole. It's just one of those little details that makes me appreciate the shoe even more. Number 2 is the quality of the build of the shoe. So here at the upper, you have tumbled leather, you have smooth black leather all over it. That doesn't really crease as much, but obviously here at the front, there's no avoiding it, especially if you have big feet, this will crease. These lines will appear as you guys use this often, so it's just part of the overall look and aesthetic of the shoe. It's something that you have to accept that will happen. But apart from the tumbled leather, everything else is pretty slick and everything else is pretty good quality. In the middle, you have the nylon tongue tab, and then you have the Nike logo here, Nike Air, the Jordan logo here at the back, wing logo, and then you have your laces. It also comes with gray laces, but I opted to stick with the black one because it just looks really kick-ass. So again, in terms of quality, overall quality, it's a pretty solid and it's a pretty good shoe, especially with the money that you're paying for it if you can get it at retail. Number 3, the thing I love about the shoe, and probably one of the most reasons why I love the shoe, because the Jordan 1 silhouette is just a timeless classic. And when I say it's a timeless classic, it weathers the test of time. It's not one of those shoes that goes in and out of style. It's forever a stylish shoe. And the testament to that is that regardless if you're a sneakerhead or not, this is a shoe that you will learn to appreciate. This is a shoe that you will like, mainly because of the overall design, the quality, and of course the color blocking of the shoe. It's just that good, and that I think is the best thing about the Jordan 1 silhouette. Now, what don't I like about this shoe? 2 things. The major one is the comfort. This shoe is not made for people with flat feet and wide feet. It's kind of uncomfortable over time, and the difference of feel compared to the Boost material of Adidas is just, it's just so noticeable, especially if you're spoiled with cushioning type material for your feet. Now, I was able to solve this. Thanks again to Mervin K from Adidas Stock Philippines. What I did, it's a bit of a, sorry for the word, bastardization, but I got the Adidas D-Rup pillowed insole. This is the orthopedic or ortholite insole with the pillows on the side. This just brings up the comfort level of the shoe like 10x. And this is the reason why I've been rocking Air Jordan 1s now more often compared to before. It's because of how comfortable the pillow ortholite insoles of the D-Rup makes the shoe for me. As a guy with wide feet, as a guy with pretty, well, like flat feet, it's really just a godsend. This insole is just ridiculously amazing. And number two, I talked about it earlier, I just hate the creasing, but over time I've gotten used to it. And in fact, it's pretty much grown on me. So while it's something that I initially didn't like, as time goes by, it's something that I've just accepted, and it's really just part of the overall look. So is it worth the money? If you can get it for still retail or close to retail, I highly recommend that you guys check this one out. I firmly believe that every man or every guy should have at least one Air Jordan 1 because it's that great of a timeless sneaker. And I think the Shadow colorways one, while it's not as iconic as the Bread Toes or the Chicagos, I think overall this is still one of the nicer and more elegant and more fresh shoes that you can have, especially if you're looking for an Air Jordan 1 to start your collection with. So again, you guys might want to check this out. I got this pair from my plug over at IG. I'll put a link down below. His name is Shoe Freak PH. I don't know if he still has stocks, but again, he delivers fantastic service. One of the guys that I've come to trust over time. Before we end the video, just one very quick thing. I want to try out selling on StockX. So what I did was I bought a brand new dead stock. This is the Air Jordan 3 Katrina or Hall of Fame thing. It's the one with the white. Let's just unbox it very quickly just so you guys see what I got earlier. So this I got from the Nike store over at Greenbelt. So this is still brand new. What I'll try to do is I'll try to sell this at StockX, even at a loss, just so I get the experience of selling on the platform, and then I can report back to you guys if selling on StockX is actually viable for Filipino sneakerheads trying to do resales. So again, watch out for that one in the coming days as I try to sell this particular brand new dead stock shoe over at StockX. And that's actually it for this vlog. I want to keep it quick, straightforward, and again, let me just thank you everybody for making this channel hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm excited to give away the Adidas Profile. I'm excited to do the 15,000 subscriber giveaway, and I am hella excited to do the 20,000 subscriber giveaway, mechanics of which I'll reveal very, very soon. That's it for now. Thanks, God bless, and make sure that you all have a fantastic weekend ahead. Peace!